Hey everyone, Ricky here from Ricky's Tech Talk, and in today's video I will be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G version. So on the front of the box you get to see the Z or Z depending where you are, and it reminds you it's 5G. And I can remember when I looked at the first generation, the purple model, really enjoyed it, but I didn't keep the device because it wasn't just for me. It wasn't my choice. However, we'll look at this device in a lot more light and see how well it performs. Along the side, you've got Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G. On the back, you've got a little bit of information, but I'll go into greater detail once we've got it unboxed. So, next step is to unbox our device. So lifting up, we've got our phone sat on top. So I'm just going to lift up the phone here and take out the phone. And because it is a flip device, let's take a look at that action. Oh, you need a lot more pressure to close it this time. A lot more than what you did last time. We've got a larger front screen as well once closed, which I really do like. So we'll set that to the side and let's see what else is in the box. We've got our Samsung. So inside here we're going to have hopefully some paperwork. Nothing else in the box. So following on with every other manufacturer at the moment, deciding not to include a lot. So what have we got inside here? We've got a USB-C to USB-C cable for syncing, charging and updating your device. And then we've got a quick start guide as well as warranty, and other information will be inside there too. So not a lot in the packaging anymore. So the unboxing process gets even quicker year on year. So taking a look at our device once again. So we've got the cream model here. So it's not white, it's an offish white, but it's known as cream. Let's power our device on. So the power button is down the right hand side. No textual differences between the power and the volume. So the front screen has come on, as well as our main screen. That screen is a lot larger on the front there, a lot nicer to see. And then we're greeted with our welcome and setup phase, and we can go through the setup phase. Please note in the video description there will be a basics video on the Z Flip 3 where I go through the setup phase showing you what's involved. But for the process of this video I'm going to skip. I just want to highlight though the accessibility features down here at the bottom. There's a range of settings built into Samsung devices that allow you to change so much, and it's really nice to see the level of detail that Samsung offer here compared to other manufacturers. So once you've gone through the setup process, you can actually click finish here and we will be loaded into our home screen for the first time. So there we go, our Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 or Z Flip 3 5G has been set up and ready to use. I'm really looking forward to seeing what this device has changed and adjusted compared to previous models. However, let's share some key details just before I end this video. And let's just see that flip motion in action. And you do have to have a bit of pressure put onto it. So on the front here, we've got our time and we've got our date, and a quick tap will bring this up and you'll get notifications. This is a lot larger than the previous model. So unfolding or unflipping our device, and you're greeted with your home screen. We've used the fingerprint sensor to set up our device. So quick tap of that. Yes, that unlocks. And now it's time to share some key details. So first of all, looking at your display, it's a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x display, which has a resolution of 2640 by 1080. This offers 120 Hz refresh rate, which is coming standard now on most devices. Looking at the front display now, which is larger, as I've mentioned, is a 1.9-inch Super AMOLED display. Its resolution is 260 by 512. So taking a look at the rear cameras, or when it's flipped down they're going to be facing you, but these are your main rear cameras. You've got one 12 megapixel wide lens and one 12 megapixel ultra wide lens. Your front facing camera, which is the O-dot camera from Samsung, where it's built into the display and the display bends round it. This is a 10 megapixel camera. This will offer wide options and will be able to get everyone and everything in your shots when you're taking great selfies. When it comes around to power and performance, this has the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 octa-core processor with variant speeds. Battery is a lot less than what we see on most devices. However, with it being a flip device, smaller, compact design, which means you will have a smaller battery. Its actual battery size is 3,300 millionth hour battery. It has 128 gigabytes of storage, 8 gigabytes of RAM. They also offer a 256 gigabyte storage option, but I've got the 128 here. It weighs 183 grams, and as I mentioned, small, compact, and a great design. It's waterproof up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes, which is really nice to see. And of course, we will be going into a lot more detail with my review and other videos that you'd like to see. If you would like to see another video on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G, make sure to leave a comment below. While you're doing that, please give this video a like. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel to stay updated with all of my latest videos. I'm going to go and have a flip around now and try this device out. And I will see you very soon. From me, Ricky, thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye for now.